Hello everyone, welcome to Craftic Recipes by Manju. Today you will be watching a spicy and delicious mutton chukka which is loaded with aromatic flavors. Also, it's well-known South Indian dish found in every kitchen. Its preparation time 30 minutes, cooking time 45 minutes. To cook this simple recipe, first let us boil mutton separately. Take mutton around 400 grams, wash it and keep it aside. Few bay leaves and crushed garlic. Next, take a pressure pan, add 10 ml of sesame oil or gingerly oil, add few bay leaves, along with this the crushed garlic, and let it soak for few minutes. Next, let us add the mutton pieces by spreading it evenly, and then let us stir a little. Now add 1 spoon of salt and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. And finally we will be adding around 100 ml of water and just stir a little. Now pressure cook this for 6 whistles and let it cool down completely. Meantime, let us prepare the spice powder for mutton chukka. Take 3 Kashmiri chilli, around 4 dry red chilli and 2 teaspoons of fennel seed, four cloves and 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 spoon of coriander seeds and 1 spoon of shahi jeera and 1 black cardamom. Next, let us grind all these dry ingredients in a mixie jar into a fine powder which will give an aromatic taste and flavor to this mutton chukka. And here is mutton spice powder ready. And now let us see the method of doing mutton chukka. Next, take small onion or shallots and crush them slightly like this and keep it in a bowl separately. Crushing small onion, it gets well coated with the spice powder. Next, take few garlics and crush them finely by using mortar pestle. Instead of grinding it in a mixie jar, try using this mortar pestle for crushing garlic and ginger, which will give an extraordinary taste to this recipe. Next, let us take few ginger pieces and crush them finely by using the same mortar pestle. And here is the smashed ginger. Now keep it aside. And few curry leaves. Next, heat gingerly oil in a kadai and then add the small onions and keep frying for few minutes until it turns translucent. Try using small onion for this recipe. Next, add 2 dry red chilli by breaking into pieces and keep frying. And next, add the curry leaves and mix well. Next, add the crushed ginger and garlic and keep frying for few minutes. Now add 2 spoons of spice powder and keep frying for few minutes. Next, 1 spoon of salt and mix well. And finally, add boiled mutton pieces along with the mutton stock. Now we have added all the ingredients. Just stir them finely. Now let it boil for 10 minutes by closing with the lid. And now you can open the lid and keep stirring as the masala should not stick to the bottom of the vessel. Now keep it in a low flame until you get a thick gravy. If you want it very dry, keep stirring for few minutes under very low flame. And now you can check for the salt and spiciness. With this red chilli, spice powder and tender mutton, wow, it looks so delicious and I can't wait to taste this recipe. Okay, let me enjoy this luxurious lunch with this mutton chukka. Serve hot with rice, rotis and butter naan. Viewers, don't forget to try this simple recipe. Definitely it will feed your soul. Thanks for watching this video. Share your comments and subscribe. Okay, then take care and bye-bye.